Hello everybody! Today, what I'm going to show you is how to make egg fried rice. This type of fried rice, you can find this at Chowking or other Chinese restaurants. But today, I'm going to show you how to make this from my kitchen. This recipe is good for 3 servings. Now let's start. First, 3 eggs. Let's separate the egg yolk from the whites. Let's put here the egg whites and the yolk here. 2 more eggs. And the last one. Rice, egg yolk, let's add the butter. And then mix it well. Make sure all rice is coated with butter and egg yolk. Let's add here the 3 remaining eggs. Let's start cooking. I'll use little oil, and you can add more if you want your fried rice to be oily. Oil is hot. It's ready now. We are going to put the egg. And then cook it like this. Make it like half cook. It's almost ready. We're going to add now the rice mixture. Let's mix it well. The rice, it's not supposed to be very dry. You may keep it a little moist. But if you want the dry fried rice, you can cook it longer. It's almost done. Let's add the seasoning. There you go, and mix it well. Then add the green onions and mix. Now it's done. And this is our egg fried rice. You can also upgrade the fried rice. You can add leftover meat if you have. For me, I added hot dogs and sweet ham, especially for the kids. You can also drizzle some ketchup on top. This is very attractive and very delicious. Try it!